How to lock your Facebook profile officially. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to lock your Facebook profile officially so only your friends can fully see your information and photos. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you simply have to tap on the profile icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your profile section. Now here, once you are in your profile section, you simply have to tap on the three dot button next to the edit profile button. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the profile settings page. Now here, you simply have to look for the option labeled as lock profile and simply tap on it. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you'll see a description of what locking does, like restricting non-friends from zooming into your photos or seeing your full post. So here, after reading it, you can simply tap on the button labeled lock your profile to confirm, and that's it. Now with this, your profile is now locked officially. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.